I'm Loran Anderson. Dr. Cuccio had asked me to give you an overview of botany in 70 minutes. You're told that you shouldn't make comparisons, but when I was your age, life was simpler. We had two categories of life. We had the plant kingdom and the animal kingdom. World's largest flowering plant. This is the genus Rafflesia. The plant can be, or the flower can be 3 feet to 40 inches across, weigh 20, 30 pounds. Not your best candidate for a corsage because your dress couldn't support it. And also it has a foul odor. It may take it 17 years. There's one bamboo species that goes 17 years before it flowers. But if everything in the valley is the same genetic structure and all the bamboo blooms and dies, what's the Hammond going to do? He's either have to find another source of food or starve because everything in that valley died. So you need to know something about the botany to understand the relationship with the panda. Well, including cannabis cases, literally dozens. That's where I really emphasize, because at one time I studied cannabis and could take a twig and look at the tissue of the wood and say that's cannabis, or they'll know that's not cannabis. So the law enforcement people would take me to a field, they'd cut down the current crop, I'd walk around the edge of the field, pick up decaying twigs, take them back to the lab, study them. Hey, that's cannabis also. That means they were growing them last year as well. And if you're growing them year after year, there's a stiffer penalty than if it's your first offense. So I've been over 60, 70 cannabis cases, murder cases, 2 or 3. These crazy things like identifying pine pollen and things like that are scattered through there as well. But forensics is a fun area to investigate.